Are you tired of being always on camera during your video meetings? Do you prefer to express yourself with a bit more fun and creativity? Welcome to the world of avatars for Microsoft Teams, the perfect solution for all those who crave a camera break. Whether you're working from home, in the office, or on the go, personalized avatars allow you to represent yourself in a way that uniquely reflects your personality. Avatars for Microsoft Teams are customizable. It have reactions feature that allows you to represent yourself the way you want, without compromising your collaboration and productivity. You need to be at least 18 years old to use it. To use this feature, open MS Teams and click on Apps option on the left side of your screen. Then scroll down the page to Popular on Teams section. The first option you will see there is Avatar. Simply click on it. Now click on Add button to add this feature to MS Teams. It will navigate you to the customization page of Avatar. The page will show that you can add up to 3 different type of avatars according to your mood, style or profile. Click on Customize button and modify the appearance of your avatars. Now, you need to select from different tabs, body, face, hair, appearance and wardrobe to create your perfect avatar. Get your virtual character on board with your look-alike. After finish, click on Save button. The best thing about avatars, you don't have to worry about looking your best or having to clean up that pile of laundry in the background. Just disable your camera and let your vibrant avatar do the talking for you. Once you have created your avatar, you can access it from the quick tray when your camera is disabled, right before joining a Teams meeting. Tap on Effects and Avatars and you will be set with your avatar. Also, as avatar is an alternate to video cameras, so you can either use avatar or your video cam. If you're already in a meeting, you can apply your avatar by selecting More, then Effects and Avatars. Now go to the Avatar section on right side. Select your avatar and click Apply Avatar. You will see your avatar in your main window. And let's not forget about reactions. Show your approval, laughter, or even frustration with a simple click of your finger. With avatars, expressing yourself has never been more fun. You can also update your background, change your camera position, and more, to enhance your video calls and make them more dynamic and personalized. And if you're looking for even more ways to enhance your Teams experience, try the Kernel Microsoft Teams migration tool. It's a fast, reliable, and secure way to migrate your data to Teams, making the switch an easy and stress-free process. Switch to Microsoft Teams today and get the most out of your collaboration experience. Avatars and Kernel Microsoft Teams migration tool, the perfect combination for a seamless transition. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy using avatars for Microsoft Teams.